Now we are discussing another question in OJS category, that is, what is the purpose of call, apply or bind method? And there are two relative questions for this topic. In a previous question, we discussed that what is the this object. Let's consider a scenario with an example. I have a function called function test. I want to display value of this. I'm just referring it. There is no specific functionality I am adding to this function. It's just that I have an object called obj, and this object has, let's say, a member called a, where I am saying 5. Now what I want is that when I call this function, I just want to pass this obj. At the moment, anyway, obj is global, right? So it doesn't matter whether I pass it as a parameter or not. But assume that this is somewhere else, but right now I am putting it for ease of understanding. Now that object I am passing here. So the obj which I have passed is passed to this parameter. My concern is that if I call this function, certainly it's going to display the window object because it is written in the browser window and the function test is also directly in the browser. I want that the value of this should be this obj. That means I want to assign the reference of obj to this. So in a way, what I want to do is I want to say this is equal to obj. So instead of window, let me first of all run this. If I run test function, it displays window. Now I want that it should point to this obj and not the window object, which is the global object. So purpose of this function is, at the moment, I want to assign the object reference to the this object. Let's run this and see what happens. It says that invalid left hand side in assignment. The reason is JavaScript doesn't allow you to assign any value to this object. How will you change the context of this obj in this case? That's where the call, apply and bind methods come handy. Let's first of all begin with the call method. The call method takes first argument as the object to be passed to this. Then whatever parameters you want to pass, it's absolutely fine. Let's say I have few more parameters, a, b. Now when I say call, you don't even need to pass this obj now. We don't need this. It's just a normal function. Let's say this function is expecting 2 parameters. So I'm going to write those 2 parameters here, maybe 5, 6. Now when you are calling this function, actually there are 3 parameters passed and the function here shows that it is expecting only 2 parameters. This means when you say call, the first argument is always passed to this. So when you call this, the first parameter is always passed to this. That's why the syntax is like this, that the first one is this argument and rest of the parameters like argument 1, 2 and so on, like a normal function. Let's try this code and see what is the output. As you can see now that when you try to display value of this, it doesn't display window. Instead, it displays the obj. Remember, the parameters we have here are, 5 is passed to A and 6 is passed to B. Obj is something which is automatically handled by JavaScript by the call method so that it is assigned to the this object. So in short, call is used to change the reference or context or in short value of this object. In case if you pass, let's say, instead of obj, if I pass 5, 6, right? Now you know that parameter mismatch is not a problem in JavaScript. So here what will happen? 5 will be passed to this, 6 will be passed to A and nothing will be passed to B. So B will be undefined. If I just try to display value of both A and B, then you will realize that how it works. You see, the value 5 is passed to A here because 5's base class is number. So number is displayed here, A is 6 and B is undefined. Let's go back to the obj itself. So now we know that why call is used. Apply is actually used for the very same thing. apply is also used for changing the reference of this object only. But there is a difference in terms of parameter passing. What apply says is that you can pass only two parameters. One is the this argument and second is one array which actually is passed to all the parameters you have here. What I mean to say is that obj is anyway passed to this. This one array is passed to this function where individual elements are assigned. So if you have, let's say, three elements here, 5, 6, 7, maybe like this, right? And if you have A, B and C, so 5, 6 and 7 is passed to A, B, C respectively. Here the important point is apply takes only two parameters. First is this argument and second is one array which is passed to this function as individual element. So in a way it is getting destructured. You can say that. That's the only difference between call and apply. The next method is bind. Now again bind is same. It means bind allows you to change the value of this. And the parameters are also similar. There is no array or anything like that. Absolutely same as call. Let me remove this C. So you can say bind and call are similar in terms of signature. But there is a difference. Let me run the code so you will realize that. If I run this here, you'll see that there is no output. The reason is that call does change the reference of this and it immediately calls the function. Whereas bind does change the reference but it does not execute the function. Instead, it returns another function. That is, it acts like a function expression. So let's say, for example, here I have maybe const function expression, that is fe. So it is executed and the reference is returned in fe. So now if I run this, you'll see the output here. So bind is very similar to call, but it doesn't call the function immediately. Rather, it returns a function which you can later on call whenever you need it. There are various other purposes of bind. As we go on with more examples, you will get a clear idea how and when we are using it. But the basic purpose of call, apply and bind is to change the reference of this, and they differ in terms of parameters or maybe the execution. Let's discuss relative questions of this topic. The first question is, what's the difference between call, apply and bind? So we have already discussed that call and apply basically takes different way of parameters, and call and bind is similar, but bind doesn't execute the function immediately. Rather, it returns a function expression or a reference which can be called later on. The second question is, what will be the output of this code? Or can you assign value to this object with assignment operator that is equal to? We have already seen that it is not possible to assign any value to this object. Invalid left hand side assignment, that's what the error it displays. So when you want to change the value of this, you have to use call, apply or bind method.